Make a difference in these 3 places we stay at. Not only go out and pick up a bit of litter to make it a bit tidier, why not plant a little flower or a little tree? We carry a pack of seeds round. No, don't know why she's laughing. We carry a pack of seeds round every time she picks up a bit of litter. Plant a little seed.
So I pick up the litter and he plants a tree. There you go. We are the perfect van life couple.
See, and there must have been a couple like us here before, because look at all these trees. They didn't grow by themselves, did they?
Hey guys, so tonight we have this lovely, very strange little spot in amongst these trees. Over the other side there is a big lake, and this is like behind the dam. We're on our own at the moment. Nick's just behind the van over there building a little campfire. Hold on 1 second. Charlie! So here is the little troublemaker, the one that disappears as soon as Mummy's back's turned. We're not far from the main road, but we're kind of hidden in the nature, even though the road is just at the top there. So it's a proper little kind of secret little spot, if you like. So since the last vlog, we left Slovenia, went into Italy, and then we had some torrential rain for close to 2 weeks actually. So we just kind of found some spots with free electricity, which was perfect. There's a few of them in an area just over the border from Slovenia in Italy. And we just hung out there, got on with some editing and waited for the weather to stop.
Had a nice little drive along the coastline of Italy. Went past Trieste, which is really busy, really built up.
The forecast now is pretty good, so we're excited. So yes, we're just staying inside Slovenia just before the border tonight, and then doing a bit of research and seeing what we want to see in Croatia. Because we've been getting on with editing and not moving anywhere and waiting for the weather to improve over the last week and a half, it feels like we're travelling again. And what a great way to start travelling again than to have a campfire.
When you've had 2 weeks of heavy rain, it'll take a while to get going. It's a bit smoky at the moment, but fingers crossed it will dry out and we get a nice little fire going. We might just have a fire.
It's rained so much in the last couple of weeks that, you know, everything is soaking wet. So it's only really had a day, like today, to dry off properly. So it's looking good though, love. A solid tray works much better than a magazine. Yay! Nice jacket spuds for tea. Good morning. So we had our little bonfire last night, campfire. And the jacket potatoes were really good. A bit black. Some of them were a bit black on the skins, not gonna lie. But they tasted good. We didn't really sit out there because it's quite cold at night now, so the sort of fire was kept way over there so it didn't stink the van out as well. But great, because we didn't use any gas, so it was just like a free meal in a way. So that was great. And then this morning we've woken up to woody woodpecker. There's several woodpeckers in the trees around, quite nice. We've got the door open. It's a really nice little spot. Proper feel like you're in the wilderness. You can hear the main road up there, so we're blatantly not. But just to look out, and it's just sort of all enclosed. So it's pretty cool. So we're just having a bit of breakfast, a bit of the van special. Broast, bread on one side, toast on the other. Actually, bread on one side, burnt on the other. So this is burnt broast.
Catchy, very catchy. I think it's going to take off. I think we should just buy crisp breads because all our toast turns out just like crisp breads, really. Because it gets burnt and then it gets left to go cold. So you might as well just buy a pack of crisp breads.
I'm not sure if they're called crisp breads.
Oh, it might not be.
It's basically like toast.
It actually looks better than the toast.
Yeah, it's already made toast. They're really good. I mean, they're perfect for the van because you don't have to use any gas to make toast.
That's why we started buying them, because of our gas situation. You don't have to use gas and you don't have to have the windows open and discreet. So yeah, they work perfectly in the van. So last day in Slovenia before we go into Croatia, found this nice little park up just off from the main busy seafront. So we're just having some breakfast and we're going to do the research to see what we're going to see over the next couple of weeks. Try and have an itinerary because time is getting a bit precious now. We need to get south and get back to Andalusia before it starts snowing.
It's going to be the first like proper itinerary of the trip. We haven't had, I mean, we've known where we're going to go, but we just change our minds or stay longer everywhere. That's the plan. I very much doubt the itinerary will stick, and within like a couple of days we would have just, yeah, changed our minds. You want a tiny bit of roast? You can have this one. This one might be better than Mummy's roast. You can have a little bit each, that's all. Mummy, get you some proper food in a minute. Here we go, one more piece, because this isn't really for doggies, is it?
There she is. So just come for a little walk with the dogs up onto the dam. A lovely little spot hidden away in a little valley. You got this big reservoir lake behind me, perfect for fishing. Really nice little spot.
I hope I haven't got hairy pits for this shot. No, I haven't. Do you know what? I'll just tell you now. I'm all red-faced, but if you haven't got much time to do a workout, but you want to do a workout or warm up because it's cold really quickly, this is the one to do. Skipping, right? You can be freezing cold in your van. Get your skipping rod out. Get a flat surface or
Skipping rod, you say?
Skipping rope. Get a flat surface or like a mat like this so it doesn't get caught, and just skip. Do 100 skips and you're hot, you're ready to, you know, take your hoodie off, get on with your day, and it literally takes probably about 100 seconds, in fact less than 100 seconds. In a minute, that's a minute workout. A good minute workout is a
Charlie, watch out, watch out.
Watch out, Charlie.
Here comes Maniac Mummy.
You're not going to hit anything. Don't leave a trace when you find nice little spots like this to spend the night. Don't be doing this. See that? Don't be doing it. And even better, get yourselves one of these and you can go and pick up the people that do it. So the next people that come, it's a lovely clean area. So hopefully, because it's a lovely clean area, when they arrive, they'll leave no trace. But these, I got this, it's like €1.50. Nothing, and it's actually very, very satisfying.
This area wasn't that bad. That bin is from our van, so Sarah hasn't filled that.
Oh yes.
But there was a little bit.
This area is actually really good for a place like this. You usually get quite a lot of mess, but this is actually quite good. But there still is tissues around, and it's only going to take me 10 minutes to go and clear this whole area. How long did that take? Like not even a minute just to do that whole area.
So yeah, it is nice to give something back, as as you do find a lot of places where you can stay for free in like beautiful locations. So by keeping it clean and keeping it tidy, you're not ruining it for everyone else, and we'll be able to everyone will be able to stay in these locations. So it's good to pick up a bit of litter. We stay in these places for free after all, so yeah, pick up some litter, give something back, keep it tidy. Boys are worn out now. They've been charging around, been for 2 walks up to the top of the dam, so they'll be sleeping for the rest of the day.
It's very grey at the moment, so we're hoping that we'll go to the shopping centre probably for a couple of hours, use the nice toilets there, yeah, upload some videos, make our little itinerary of Croatia, and then head over the border this afternoon. And hopefully we'll have the sun coming out for us, because it's obviously Croatia, nice coastline, and we're hoping to find a nice beach, because the boys haven't had a proper run on a beach for how many months?
6 months since we started the trip, since we left Spain, really.
And they do love a good beach to play chase on. Shopping centre. We've been to the loos. Absolutely lovely toilets here, aren't they?
Yeah,
they're
totally.
so nice. Yeah, and now we're just uploading a video connected to the Wi-Fi here, so we're uploading this video. Then we've got to sit and do some research. We'll wait for this to upload, find out about Croatia, and then we're heading south.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming, because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video. So pick up some litter, keep the place tidy, make it nice, and we'll get to stay in these places for free. How?